The way you are going to achieve healthy and attractive hair is by using the 13-in-1 shampoo that can also be used as, tennis shoes? Okay, I was kidding. The first tip is to never use these 2-in-1 shampoo plus conditioner products. They are not good for your hair. You have to use shampoo and conditioner separately. Stop using your average cheap shampoo that ruins your hair's health and strip away the natural texture of your hair. Personally, I regularly go to a dermatologist for treatment of my skin, and I show him my hair too and get some personalized products. The next thing people are confused about is, how often should we shampoo? Well, that depends on the type of hair you have. Is it oily, dry, or a mix of both? Oily-haired individuals will have to shampoo more often than dry-haired ones. But you will have to experiment it yourself to see how often you should shampoo. See how many days you can go without your hair getting greasy or getting a bad texture, and then adjust your frequency accordingly. Get a good quality shampoo according to your hair type. Don't use too much shampoo and gently massage it on your scalp for at least a minute, and then rinse your hair with cold water. Now, let's talk about conditioning. It makes your hair softer, smoother, and moisturized. You need to apply it after shampoo. First, remove excess water by squeezing your hair, and then apply the conditioner. It works best when you apply it on the ends of your hair instead of near the scalp. And then wash it off after 2 to 3 minutes. Yes, you need to keep it for that long to get the maximum benefits. Remember to choose your conditioner according to your hair type. Conditioners aren't as harsh as shampoos, so you can get away with a cheap one. Now that you are done with your shower, you will have to dry your hair. Never rub your hair with the towel vigorously. Just pat your hair and let it dry naturally. If you let it air dry, it will bring out your natural hair texture. But keep in mind that it might sometimes look messy, so experiment and see what you can do. But if you are in a hurry and need to use a blow dryer, use it on a cool setting which will minimize heat damage. Personally, after I am done drying, I use 2 to 3 drops of some light hair oil like coconut to moisturize my hair, because I don't use any styling products. This brings out a natural shine to my hair without damaging them. If you try it too, make sure to not apply more than 2 to 3 drops, or it will look greasy, and you will have to shampoo again to remove the oil. Yes, it has happened to me in the past. One more thing you can do is apply oil at least 30 minutes before showering, or you can also apply it overnight. This makes shampooing less damaging for your hair. Haircuts and maintenance. If you have short-haired hairstyles like tapers or fades, you will need to go to a barber every 2 to 4 weeks. If you have long hair or are growing your hair out, depending on the stage of hair growth you are at, you will still need to get it trimmed at least once in every 2 months, which will remove split ends and keep your hair thicker. In the final section, let's talk about some habits that are crucial for your hair health. Number 1, a balanced diet with plenty of protein and omega-3 and at least 3 liters of water a day are really important, not just for your hair, but your overall health. And make sure you are getting a good 8 hours of sleep. Number 2, you must be using the normal cotton towel to dry your hair. The cotton material is harsh against the hair and causes frizz, friction, and breakage. You can avoid this by investing in a good quality microfiber towel. Same goes for your pillow covers. You should use silk pillowcases to prevent frizz and breakage. A silk pillowcase will also be good for your skin if you have breakouts. Number 3, I would say avoid using combs to style your hair. You can just use your hands. Or, if your hairstyle requires combs, then opt for wide-toothed combs for gentle detangling. Number 4, direct sunlight can damage hair. You should avoid standing in the sun during the daytime or use something like a hat to protect your hair. Number 5, while swimming, salt water from the sea and chloride from swimming pools can damage your hair in the long run, so always wear swimming caps. Number 6, limit the frequency of hair brushing and use high-quality brushes. Also, you should avoid brushing wet hair whenever possible. Number 7, this is an important one. Other than styling, avoid touching your hair as much as possible. Touching your hair a lot can result in greasy hair, and they can get weakened at the roots and lead to hair loss. And that's it. I guarantee your hair will look much better after following these tips. We have got a lot of content planned ahead, so make sure to subscribe. If you are unable to decide your next hairstyle, click the video on the left, and if you want to grow your hair out, click the one on the right.